agenda for this video is learning formatting list as table. See, you can format it without making it into a table, but that will lead to a lot of issues. We can just have a quick look at that. But how to do formatting list as tables? This is a very good function. By this, you can sort, filter, anything, any function you can use. It becomes good, easy, and there's no chance of any mistakes. So let's get started. Formatting list as table. Formatting list as table is one of the features in Microsoft Excel. It is easy to set up formatted tables. Functions like sort, filter become easy to apply. The fields of table can be referred in the formula. If data is added or removed, the formula will adjust accordingly. See, if you will not make it into a table, it will not adjust accordingly. The formula. How will Excel understand? But when we create it into a table, Excel automatically understand. If you have made any changes, it will automatically fix itself. Okay, let's get started. Let's do it into an Excel. Okay, so this is our data. Okay, just click anywhere in the data and click here. Okay, go to Home tab, go to Format as Table. It is into the Style ribbon. Format as Table. Choose anything you want. Suppose if we choose gray. Okay, it will ask if you want to select the whole table or you want to select half table. We have selected the whole table. Okay, my table has headers. So these are the headers: segment, country, product. These are the headers. My table has headers. Okay, and when we click on OK, see. So what all changes happened? First of all, filter. You can sort. You can filter. You can sort by color. You can filter by equal, does not. There are a lot of functions. If you just want channel partners, just select all channel partners. Okay. Only channel partners will come. Okay. And it becomes really easy to do it. Okay. If you make any changes, it will adjust accordingly. So this is the easiest function that we can work on. Okay. So these in this three things happened. Let's understand three things thoroughly so that there is no confusion in the future. Okay. This table, first function is this is our header in row 1, segment, country, product. Okay. In this, the filter has applied. Here, when we click on this button, can you see, guys? When we click on this, you can sort by A to Z. The sheet has sorted. C, E, V, M. Okay. You can sort by Z to A as well. Okay. You can sort by color. Custom sort. Segment, values, Z to A. Okay. You can add levels. Then by product, cell color maybe. And select on top or bottom. Select it and it will happen. Okay. We'll just undo that. We'll just undo all the things. When we go on this button again, okay, you can filter it, you can custom filter it, you can just filter this accordingly. What you can do is equals. In segment, I think this filter will be useful here. Okay, just go to number filters, equals, 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 or is greater than 50,000. Okay, only the sales which are above 50,000 will be coming, rest all will be hidden as you have applied the filter. So this becomes very easy when you have large data set and you don't know how to work on it. Your manager just want to check, you know, just remove the filter, clear filter. Okay. Your manager wants to check How much is the gross sales? How much is the gross sales above 50,000? Who has done it? Which country has done it? Which segment is performing well? Everything is done by sort filter. Everything. And it becomes very easy with very important function. So that, when we're working on a large data set, you have to make an analysis also. You just can't just type in. This is not a data entry thing. You have just entered the data. Now you have to perform your own analysis on the data, right? So for that, these functions become important, which we have learned. Number filter, sort by color, selecting. Suppose select all, we have deselected everything, and we just want to know more than 120. See, manufacturing price, which was more than 120, has came. Okay. And if we select 120, 250, and 260, so all the things, all the manufacturing price will come here. Okay. And one more thing happened. So you can change the color also. We have chosen this color. It depends. Okay. How you want to go forward. Suppose if this is manufacturing price. Okay. So it will automatically be one color, one white, one color, one white, one color, one white. So if we will not use this format as table, and if we filter it out, and if we have put colors, manually you have to enter this color. You will select second, then you will select fourth, you will select six, you will select eight, and then you will manually change the color. But when you filter it out, that will not happen then. You'll filter it out. It will happen only in the sheet, only in the part that has color will come, and rest your sheet will look very bad. It doesn't look good when you show it in, if you present it to your manager or something, it will not work. Okay. So what we did was formatting. So heading should be added in data column, which is this segment, country. This is important because from this you have to sort and filter. If this is not there, how will you do it? It becomes difficult, and which doesn't look good also, because you should know, because this is not one column or one row. There are multiple rows. How will you know that what is 8235, what is 412 if you don't have the headers, right? Okay. So this is it. Let's go through it once again. We'll just format it in maybe this color. So where we went, home tab, format as table, and we changed it. Okay. We can change the table style also. But that is, I don't think we should get into that right now. We just format it. This is easier. And this is a very useful function, very useful and a very good function. If you want to learn more about this, you can go to support at microsoft.com